In this video today, I'll show how I built a set of two Type 92 70mm infantry guns out of carton and paper, plus the crew. First, I start with building the wheels of the gun. Then I start putting together the gun carriage. Next, I then glued on the elevation arcs. Then, I started building the gun and breech block. Then I built and glued on the gun shield. Afterwards, I then glued on the levers and other details. For the crew figures, I used surplus World War I Turkish artillery figures. The helmets were made from super glue, and the webbing and equipment from paper and carton. Once they were finished, I then primed the guns and figures to have them ready for painting. For the base coat of the guns, I used Camouflage Green. The levers and wheel edges were then painted using German Camo dark green. And for the breech block, I used Gunmetal Grey. For the crew, I start with painting the flesh using Salmon Rose. Then, I use a mixture of Japanese uniform and beige for the caps and uniforms. Then I use leather brown for the belt and boots. The webbing is then painted using beige, and the putties are painted using olive green. The water canteen is then painted using black brown, and then the straps are painted using light gray. The sunshade flaps are then painted using green gray. I then use plague brown for the helmet, and brass and black for the shell. Then I use a diluted orange brown for a flesh shade. Then, I use a diluted black-brown as an earth shade for the uniform and guns. That's also all for this tutorial. I hope you'll like this one.